Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Share My Location not working on iPhone. So if you have tried using messages or the Find My app and tapped Share My Location and found it grayed out or unavailable, just follow these steps to resolve the issue. So now without further ado, let's get started. So starting with the step 1, that is to check location service. To do that, simply open the settings, and once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And from there, you simply have to tap on location service at the top. And in this section, you have to ensure that location service is toggled on. From there, you can scroll down to find the Find My app and tap on it and verify. You can allow location access to set to while using the app. And also make sure that the precise location is turned on. And after that, go back to the main location service menu and tap on the system service at bottom. And in this section, make sure that Find My iPhone and Share My Location option is enabled, because this ensures your phone can access the necessary location data to share your location. Now moving forward with the step 2, that is to check content and privacy restriction. And to do that, simply return to the settings and from there simply tap on screen time. And in this section, you can simply scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. And if this is enabled, tap on location service within this menu and ensure that the location service are not restricted or denied. Alternatively, if you don't need this restriction, you can simply turn off content and privacy restriction entirely. And with this, let's head to the step 3, that is to reset location and privacy settings. To do that, simply go to the settings and tap on the general. And in this section, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled transfer and reset iPhone. And from here, you can simply tap on reset and then choose reset location and privacy. And after that, you simply have to enter your passcode to confirm. And this action will restore all location and privacy settings to their default values, which can often resolve issue with sharing your location. And with this, add a final step, that is to restart your phone. And finally, if the above steps doesn't resolve the issue, try restarting your iPhone. To do that, simply go to the settings and scroll down and tap on shutdown button. Power off your iPhone and wait for a few seconds. And after that, you can simply turn it back on and you will be surprised how often a simple reboot fixes glitches, especially if your iPhone has been running for a long time without restarting. And that's how you can fix Share My Locations issue. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.